alright.
It's for kids one lah. Chill lah.
Now we're at Bach Ma National Park.
Here we are at Paradise Cave.
Doing core exercises on a buffalo. It's hard to balance.
It's very hard to balance it.
Yeah.
Yo! Cycling in this extremely tough roads. Making a coconut head, but I think I'm definitely losing here.
Yes!
It's a freaking party right now, man. Everyone's dancing on these basket boats. It's crazy.
Sunset right now. It's so peaceful.
Perfect road. Right. We're gonna be eating balut for the first time. If you don't know, balut is underdeveloped eggs.
This is growing on me. It's quite nice.